Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla ubadipe ya katanat Community and Rural Development CNRD u eti mondal mentakasngi ke pratri gunailar ulapli pajba no ya ka traditional market lane ke Ïew Die-Lang kabalate hakisnong lumdaj kla haboy rembong kate ke Ïew kade kabalate lengba katanat Ministry of Tribal Affairs jong ke Sarkar kami Haka jinglut kabasan Klur tyngka kabadon ru adu enriu pho henru teli ki dukan ba ki pajba kin yo ban syong Ïew bandi ye ki mar ki mata Haka tekasngi lai don lang do ba AL hek u Menteri katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba daman bait lamare MLA ka umroy constituency uba isne hing MDC ka umroy kong Birani EDC Riboy District Dr. Lang BDO Boy Rembong Block ba ST rempe rang ba snong ka lumdai kla Boy Rembong lembat kiwe de
and just traveling through the gardens of Britain because the beautiful view that this area presents. It is mesmerizing, it is unmatching, it is like somewhere you are in Switzerland and all these things. And not only that, only 1.5 months back we were here with Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate the block integrated development complex here in Boyumbo. And this block is also related to me because his father, Lamar's father, he was a dear friend of mine, and we together fought for new blocks, and that's how I got a new block. Manhattan got this block, a very moon block. Bahai got this Mohabbat block. We together fought at that point of time. So your block and my block, age-wise, they are born together. So that's how also I am linked to this area. And today I am very happy that I am standing here in front of you with immense pleasure to mark a significant milestone in the development of this successful completion and inauguration of this traditional market at Boyumbo. As Bahak has told that how he has gone and got this program, it is sanctioned by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and the administrative approval was granted on 3rd April 2020, and then tender process was initiated by DRDA NONCO. But the thing is that any major project always encountered in legal complications, so a case has been filed in the Honorable Meghalaya High Court. But whatever the High Court ruling has been given, that has been incorporated, and these legal challenges were met with, and ultimately the tender process was completed, awarding the work to for construction. Today, Manhattan was supposed to come, but he could not come due to some other thing. I would like to thank him also because he took initiative to complete this project as early as possible, though it is completed as per report on 22nd August 2024, but we took some time to inaugurate it because of some other problem. The complex is having around 66 stalls, and all are good. Usually what happens in local market or daily market, you sit in the open market, you got to fight out with the rain, you got to fight out with the dust, sun and everything. Today we are having a complex where we know that designated shops are there, the designated stalls are there, and it is very organizedly made, and it will be able to put the products in safe storage and easier transaction for the buyers and also the sellers. This will be a milestone for the entire locality to have an opportunity to engage themselves into business activities. Our Honorable Chief Minister's vision is that Meghalaya should have $10 billion economy, and he is working day and night to see that the state achieves this $10 billion economy. Now, Meghalaya is basically living into the villages. Unless the villages economy are improved, Meghalaya will never be able to get and achieve this $10 billion economy. He wants that business should be having the opportunity that the traders can do their business at ease. And that's how he is pumping a lot of money to the rural areas to uplift the economy of rural areas. Even through CNRE department, we are engaged day and night to see that the benefits reach to the poorest masses of the country so that their economy is improved. We are having self-help group, which was at the onset of MDA government in 2018. Only 5,000 self-help groups are there. Today I can tell you that we are having around 52,000 self-help groups. We have lots of Lakpati Didis today. Lakpati Didis means the cons who will have minimum 1 lakh money into their account. Last January on 10th and 11th we had a cabinet retreat in Sora, where our Honorable Chief Minister has directed us that no more Lakpati Didis or Lakpati cons. They should be millionaire, they should have minimum 10 lakhs into their account, and we are working on that.
Jom kani kesrong ito bagi om barang na bidot jaga in warra kan warra ya gaskiam nanti dapat travel industri na gali dah kebenda kejerukan jo kesrong ke jopi barang yang to kebiak tinggal la lek rekan-rekan barang bila kedua yang dikong ke jaga jom kate ke jaga kemudian hangkai po jogi kong teleskop serap dimkong ya pet yang ke jaga bensna ya tadi ke traditional market Hakim boleh balai kendu pakai senang, berramba senang, pakai nukit kami juga senang, yang ingin kita jaga kebahagiaan juga senang, boleh bimsina hangni apa juga jaga juga senang. Tengok kata lagi keberbahap pala, bagi nyo bersina hanya jaga juga senang, dan kepada kejingan toy juga senang, kejaga konsumsi para kawai. Tengok kerpat, ya minister, union minister, akan berpor boleh perlok dengan adali. Gelong bagi ke jaga gerak rosak ke jaga dengan senang kepala menjulang di pipe pak bagi nong senang bagi sena ya ke traditional market buat kilawar rak tu ya ke traditional market ha ke badan kepala ai subha buat ke baik trelang dan benda ke jemun to juga senang bagi nong senang hi jong ke lom dai kala borok kowe ingin nomla ada benket ban ai tu ya UCB Chakrabarti, Ubaderu, Director, Jagasinagi, Uderu, Secretary, Joka, Fishery Department, Joka, Joka Animal Husbandry Department, Kapa Manga, and would pay to Minister. Like today, you see Chakrabarti, Joka Por, but the people Baro Kiloramba. Baro Kilokumi, Baro Kisama, but Kibaon, Ba, Lamare, Malay, Jopi, Kano, Jurutanat, Kilokumi, Kalapungria, and the welcome song. Kepala kot sebayangi tegasur ke bapang pada tegasur ke betiang menjedalang dekat tangge bagi baro. Berbetang yui dan saya isyarai marbeliang. Ikon sama jangan dikeslong. Kebau gay la ai kesap ke bergerbang dan kepada benong nong ruai nong beij ruai dan kepada kebang itu di talents ke bapun mak har dikeslong ke jumi. Tinggal ngobrol keslong ke jumi marbayangar latum. Kemudian advisor jauh kali ke senang jompi. Jadi kukai sibol dia kajing thom jompi. Kemudian advisor jauh kali ke senang apa yang kau senang lom naik kelang. Dan kukai sibol dia beri bila bo engaru kemudian advisor benda berkhatam dan benda kebahagiaan bagi bertaruh kebendai nak benda kali ke senang jompi. Namun dia hiru terai bo senang penabar. Ngaruh hangni dia kita dijaga bekerja dan ni yang kebangiru gila berperai berpas itu berpeditnat itu yang kena jaga. Tiga orang ini bagi senang bernumbang hangni apa lom naik kerai belum bernumbang hanu kata-kataru. Lagi late 7 minit nak Shillong airport yang kabang idang le pada gila yang upgradation mentah. Kan ni ke digital market ke long away nak bi the happening market in the borok koi gari kasi berjaya. Kami bilang mereka kan nampak di bawah distrik Jopi. Borok koi gari kasi berjaya ke lebih happening market kelega polon like lagi dengan market digital market ke bagian pilih pada kasi. Kalau kita jika pun nampak batang si 4 minit dan 1 minit nanti airport apa yang ni. Pilih beberapa kita terus. Ibarat keleng jauh perdai, mereka nampak India dan keleng jauh perdai. Ibawan dan lan hangi hapo kani jaga bagi duan ru dan bersong dan wan bam di punya wanti tinggi dan kani jaga bagi song pada hangi ayu gini benda dan kebetulan begin akot begin attract yang turis kebetulan saya kini kerja ke Jopi. Beri komen kembali jurong belum beri menteri jungi latih lupa begini ki kon ki bertip lay. Kita kemudian komen ke begini benda nak kita jungi. Bang orde berjurong bayi gibe bijak beri begin suisi ikipan. I baro ni day ikon ki jomudai ikon beliau. Kalau day watau yang ayu pada ni baro. We are all first human beings. Then later we become the different community, the different religion. Because of ini ikon ki jomudai, ada boleh kiwan boleh di khasi, di bhai, di jengkia, di garo, dan di kilo jangan kiwan hadin. Ikon hi di ikon ki jomudai. Jadi nak kedau kapag kian jomudai tu kawan. But ilagi berarti perawajan kumbat ilagi hi. Kata kadai kita hikai kapag ilayo na do kapod na rempai jugi mi pagi jugi. But ilagi perawajan kumbat ilagi hi. Kata kadai kapag ila benora si botha ki tourist ki benatrak benwan sa kadai jaga ke jugi. Kata daw mau ipi baro ki bensong bukan na kadai jaga. Tolong ki balong profesional. Dada bilong ki balong
kajongpi sir kepersongsit i berkependiak mesin lagi adu kata-kata banginyo bakanero kadai bangilak melenti nado menung ilak melenti nano kan po kata kasmi banginyo no ban play ban penon kam ye kene ke traditional market bakadon hasenda songi ko bagi ibaro gede kowe gede kasing ebok edaw yang kasong lo kat klai bro kowe yang kung lo konspeksi bro kowe bade gari boy dingi hi bro kowe awan na kermen stemro bagane kayo ada ada pleasure menta ada katu kane por makan ro kayo bagayat pa bagayat nanti bade kowe ni kowe kasni kan yo ro ka best market segini gari boy ka than ri boy ka jongi ano yo pi gari ka traditional market kali ke yo inflation mentaro ngimong re kadai tangjong kani ka tangjong kani ka cost ni ka dero kayo jong kari boy bingi hi borok oi tanga karman scam ro kani kayo kadai ka the ka khai pateng kamdere banlong karman scam kamdere banlong tang para mengi gikwa hero bagi beriu na bar jala lare bana bar jong kani kari ka jong hero kinwan hawe ne ko kaski ban khai le ban khai ikimar kitia kitar ki jong ki bang kidok kere ro ya paro kini kin bang song yo bakan no ro ya ki kaba da ro kin rung ya kini ki yo bande kita kitia kitar ni kimar ki jong ki kinong ki ba edaw ebok kinala susu kan kamai khamba susu badhiro kawero kaperlong ma kabigi tenat namar ba mas de play gini kayo bisa ya keren badi romba snong bate isi jo kan snong romda kla hadin kala de play kate kayo ko kate kayo ko palim ko ro kan khamlong internet makan khamlong perlon ro namar ba Sanero mulai penliok dan penolong kami kini kayo. Dengan kini kepor, ngak kibok kirweng ro ya kasong rundat kla, bakawe nganong takawe ba hol hilapan lakwa lapan hilayo tementara sisundan ginyo naman play kejuara minister kijongi dan kejela Meghalaya kejongi Nesar Edi Mondal Banesar Alexander Laluhet Tegade pat ke kamram ke darbar senong ban pej ban sumar ban pengkhod ban suba. Namar no ye pi kun gini kita jingha le ki development ginam yo punsin re. Deni mlar ban sumar ban pej ban suke le ki. Tas karno kan lip karong kan rimno hadapan ila jinjar pat ban wan di kafon le ni ke jingira ban pember penba. Karena sekian hi nomor senang tinggal kerlang kejompi, bagai isi kejompi, bagai pekah sumar bahai kini kayu, manang minggu senang berokanang kiu, bagai kayu peten, manang minggu senang berokanang bah kanang liat, lagi por segi por.